So I'm an intimate waxer, a specialist waxer. This is just a couple of do's and don'ts for your first ever wax appointment. So do come in loose, breathable clothing, anything flowy, anything comfortable. You don't want to be walking out that door with tight clothing on after having a wax. Do want to grow your hair out for 2 to 3 weeks before having a wax. So if you're a regular shaver, although you may feel that your hair feels long after a week, after 10 days, it's not quite going to be long enough. We do say normally like a grain of rice, but I would always say 2 to 3 weeks, you are safe. You're going to have enough hair to grab. You can also never have hair that is too long. Do not trim. So you better come into your appointment with your hair being long. I can always trim it, but if you trim it, we risk that hair being too short. Do not drink caffeine prior to your appointment. So caffeine stimulates blood flow, which means obviously this is only going to make your wax more painful. It's not the end of the world if you drink caffeine. If you're going to have coffee, it's fine. But as a first-time waxer, if you want to limit the pain, then cutting the caffeine out is your best option. Do have a hot bath or a hot shower before you come to your wax appointment. This isn't always possible. I understand that when you're coming from work, when you've had things to do in the day, you've got a later wax appointment, not always possible. The reason I say this is because having a warm shower or a warm bath will open up the pores and it's going to help that hair come out easier. Again, just probably reducing that pain slightly for you. And lastly, do not be nervous. Easier said than done. Obviously, it is an uncomfortable process. Your first time's always going to be the worst, but it's so worth it for the smooth result that you get afterwards. Don't be nervous to have an intimate wax. I literally see people all day, every day. This is normal for me. Treat me like a doctor, treat me like a nurse. It's more fun coming to me than going to the doctors. So trust the process. It's worth it. You walk out the door thinking, why have I never done this before? Or, oh my gosh, what was I even worried about? Trust me, it is so worth it getting waxed. Thanks for watching. Bye.